What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Did you just salute with your left hand?
You're damn right I did.
Oh,
I did it on purpose. I did it on purpose. I'm not in the military anymore. I don't care what I do. I can do whatever the hell I want. I'm not in the military.
I'm about to lose it.
You're damn right. You're damn right. Do whatever the fuck I want to do.
No honor. There's no honor with this guy, bro.
No honor among thieves.
I ain't no thief. There's no honor with this guy. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much. Absolute minute.
Don't worry about it, bud. Don't worry about it, bud.
What are you saying about yourself? Like, I'm not in the military no more.
Nope, I'm not in the military no more. I do what I want.
Okay, Justin. Here we go. So, welcome to the Trader Shop, ladies and gentlemen. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and/or put out a video. It is Wednesday, a shortened day in the market, so be prepared for that. There's a ton of news that just hit the market, and the market looks to be selling off, headed down to the lows, maybe to come back up. Who knows? I don't know. All I know is I'm ready to trade. I hope you're ready to trade. Let's make some money today. Make sure you're managing your risks. Make sure you're getting everything you need out of the market and then dip, because I'm trying to be done 10, 11 o'clock. Get my trades in and be done for the day. That's the goal today, is be done pretty quickly and just, get ready to enjoy the weekend. First and foremost, you guys already know to tip the barbers. If you are looking to support the channel any further, there is a discount link to the Apex funded accounts down here scrolling across the screen. Also, if you're interested in joining the Discord link is in the description down below. It is $40 per month. It is $15 per week. We educate, we do market review, we do pre-market analysis, we do pre-market prep, we teach you how to make a market plan. There's a ton of stuff, there's a ton of value in there. If you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that Discord link, pay the fee, and then you'll be in. I hope everybody's ready to have a good day, and then we'll break down the pre-market plan here in about 2 shakes. Let me just get my screen share here. There we go. All right, cool. All right, so the plan on the day, let's see. Dang, my mouse is not working whatsoever. Hold on a second, guys. I'm trying to get my mouse over here. It's not coming over here. Okay, there we go. All right, I got it. Okay. All right, so my NQ plan on the day is here. So let me blow this up and we'll start with the macro plan. Looking at the 4-hour, right? So essentially what I'm looking for, or what I'm looking at, is that the current condition is bullish as fuck, right? Like, even though we're selling off right now, it's bullish as fuck. And we're in the markup phase. But right now, currently, when I wrote the plan, we were up here. Currently, we're starting to sell down, which is kind of what I really wanted to see. After an aggressive rally from yesterday, I would expect the market to give some of that back, right? So bullish, we're bearish as long as we stay below the all-time high, right? Which is up here, right? As long as we stay below this level, I'm looking to be bearish, right? Now, that doesn't mean that the opportunity to go short won't present itself, right? And that's where I'm looking to play long on these 1-hour sessions, right? So I'm not going to go through the entire macro plan. You guys can read it on the screen if you like, but basically my plan is to be bullish down here at 20,156 to 20,0067. And we can look to long the market targeting 4-hour supply at 20,304.50. So, excuse me. As long as we stay above this area, I think today will be pretty much a nice little range day, or even try to put in that ultimate high. Once we break below 20,067, however, I think that there's another opportunity to go short, right? On the break and retest of the daily fib at 20,084. And then also another opportunity to long the market back up from 20,016 to 19,911.25. And we can look to long the market targeting, again, that daily fib, the previous day high, and then that 4-hour supply. The only area that I have defined on my plan to short the market is essentially this 4-hour supply zone. But if you can see here, I have this Fibonacci retracement from the previous low and previous high that we just broke. So I've been looking for the market to return back into 245, 246, and I would definitely entertain longs from shorts from there, considering we just broke below this previous low. So those are my thoughts. I'm not really going to go over the ES plan. I didn't go over it with the Discord. I'm only trading NQ today, and it's going to be a shortened day, so I'm not even going to like stress about a multitude of plans. So, Justin, what do you got to add to that?
Yeah, I'm with you on that. I'm debating whether I feel like I'm in a weird situation. I'm debating whether or not I want to size down today or not, just because the volume might be a little bit lower on the day. But we'll see what happens. We do have news. We have some good news too, so I am happy about that, because at least there'll be a little bit of volatility. And then it's a little weird because we also have FOMC today, but the stock market is going to be closed for FOMC, so that's really, really weird. But my levels are pretty much the same. What I'm looking at 2059, 20,200, or 20,259. I need glasses. I swear I can't see. Come back up for the retest potentially, but it looks like we want to drop down further. And I really want to long the market down here at these lows. I think we can get a really nice bounce down here at these lows. It just depends on how much participation we have today. It's weird that we're having a half day before the 4th of July, and then the futures market is having a half day tomorrow, and then we have a full day on Friday. So I don't know. I'm just gonna be a little bit more cautious, a little bit more patient, and just kind of gauge what the opening looks like. That'll kind of give me a clue on how volatile we're actually gonna be. But yeah, I think what we got. I think we have unemployment claims at 10 or something like that. Or what do we have at 10? What's the news?
Unemployment claims are 7:30. We have a PSI, I think.
Oh yeah,
PMI, final services PMI.
Yeah, we have PMI. So hopefully that'll bring us some news, and hopefully we can get like a little quick scalp out of that or something, and then kind of call it a day from there. Is my hopeful plan, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah, no doubt. So good morning, the Crucial One. Good morning, Micaiah. Good morning, John, in the building. What's goody, everybody? Like I said, I'm only going to be focusing on the NQ today. I'm not really going to be jumping around. We don't have a full day, so I'm whatever setup I see on NQ is going to be the setup I play. It looks like gold really went crazy last night. Matt, I went to sleep. Damn.
I meant to watch gold yesterday, and I forgot.
Lord, I went to bed. This shit finally pushed into 2368. That's for damn sure. Whoa.
Yeah, I meant to watch gold. Dang, yeah, I did have a night.
Yeah, gold had a night last night. And my alarm went off and I was damn near in a coma. I was like, nope, I will not be trading gold tonight. It looks like the time walked out too.
11.
Right, yeah, 11 they happened right off my daily fib too. 2337. Tap right off of that joint. Nuts. Very nice. Very nice. If you traded gold last night, you freaking printed. Look at the candle at 9:30 too. You could have got long right there and still just put your stops below 2334. Man, gold would be some sauce. It's still rallying too. Very nice. Usually when gold rallies, it's a good sign that the market's maybe kind of cooling off a little bit. People start moving their money into the safe haven of gold. But it really hasn't mattered this year, to be honest with you. Like everything's been moving simultaneously this year. Like everything's been pushing. So
Microsoft is at a new all-time high again. Microsoft is leading the race in market cap.
It's like deja vu, man. The VIX is at 13, 17. Like, it's almost like I'm getting tired of coming to the market doing the same shit, but it's the same thing.
Looks like I didn't really look at the stocks. I didn't pay attention to the stocks too much yesterday, but it looks like Apple made a new all-time high yesterday.
Yeah, I told you that.
Yeah, I completely forgot. I wasn't even looking. God damn. What is the problem with these tech stocks? They need to cool off.
Apple made a new all-time high, and Microsoft made a new all-time high. Amazon made a new all-time high, and Google traded within $1.20 of its less than $1 from its all-time high. So yeah, basically everything went to new all-time highs yesterday. That's why the market was so bullish. And I remember telling you, because we was talking about like the potential hold on the trade. I was like, you see the market, everything was in sync yesterday. Like
yes. I knew we were talking about that. Mm-hmm. And then Kyle said Tesla was up 10%, which is also freaking insane.
Crazy.
When Tesla decides to start moving and everything else is moving with it, woo.
I want you guys to take note at ES. If I would have took that same trade I took this morning when I was trying to YOLO news this morning. It did not work out with 3 micros. I was risking like $60. But if I would have took that same trade at the same area on ES, I would have never been stopped out because I was getting long at the low of the range. NQ broke the hell out of that range. ES never broke the range. It just set up there. You see that?
Yeah. You
to 55, 60. I probably would have still been eventually stopped out, but yeah, ES was clean.
ES literally hasn't moved.
Yeah, it's not moved. That's what I'm saying. I'm watching NQ just continue to sell off, and ES is just like, we'll wait for you to come back up here, young buck. Oh, there's the VIX. Popped up about 7 points just now. Man, good to see you're amongst the living.
We're consolidating pretty nicely right now. We're consolidating right at that same level where we consolidated yesterday before ripping up the last time before we closed. We're consolidating in that same exact area. So I'm kind of curious to see if we can break down below here or if we're going to come back up and maybe retest this 231 area on NQ.
Yeah, at this point, I just want us to come back up so I can short it back down to 156. But if it just flushes straight down, then I'll just be looking for longs down at 156, down there at that demand zone. Good morning, Yin Yang.
What up, Yin Yang twin?
Eric, is sleep first? Yeah, 100%. I always feel better when I get sleep when I'm trading. GC later? Yeah, fact. Good morning, iBomb. How are you? Weekly high yesterday? Yeah. We did tap that weekly high. We slightly went above it, but we're still ultimately, like I said, like we're ultimately just still in this big ass freaking range, guys. Like, I mean, do I think we break above it to the upside? I do, but I mean, we could just stay here until CPI next week, right? Like, this could just be one big ass range awaiting CPI data. So that's why I wouldn't really count out the bears today because we're in their territory, right? When it comes to the range, we're in the bears neighborhood up here. So unless we're going to break out of the range, this is still the bearish range, right? Until the market proves they can get above this range, right? This is still one big ass lower high, right? On a higher time frame. So. Yeah.
Just so y'all know, I'm predicting all-time highs incoming very, very soon. Nancy Pelosi has bought 10,000 shares of NVIDIA, and if y'all know about Nancy, she winning, so it's gonna go up. So we go break all-time highs very soon.
She's buying it. She's buying it right before it goes into the Dow too.
Yep, she bought 10,000 shares of NVIDIA. Yep, we're going ham, y'all. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. The market's going up. Maybe not today, but soon enough.
What's it? 20,162, Iba. So you posted that.
Oh, maybe that's a retracement. That's a retracement level you want to long it to. Maybe it's probably a fair value gap. Knowing iBomb, that's what he trades.
Yeah, it's 6 points above where it's my target today. Yeah. That's basically where I'm looking to get long to.
Oh, PM low meaning not pre-market low, but like the PM session low.
Yeah, he's talking about the PM session, which I feel like that's why I think he needs to come up with a different acronym because he uses PM session multiple times, and we just have to decipher based off the context clues what he's actually talking about. That's not fair conversation.
yeah, that's the area. Wait, but why is it 2162 and not 20,070? Because at 12,
he's talking about the low. He's talking about the low. Because this whole he's talking when they talk about PM session for ICT, they're talking about macro 9, which is 110 to 140. So after 12, they count the PM session from that, basically that whole macro. So they're looking at the low of that session.
He's looking at that.
Yeah, 20,162. Yeah,
135.
Essentially, after London's close is when the PM session begins.
No.
Yeah. So, I mean, you could identify it however you want to. I mean, it's all the same if you ask me. But yeah, London closes right inside of that last macro at 12 o'clock. So the low of London session is 20,066. So the market could come all the way down to 20,066 theoretically, right, before start to retracing, or it could stop inside of this range. Me, I got it going from 156 down to 20,066 because this is where the swing low and swing high began. I care about this area, and I understand that it could cause a bounce, but I'm more so hoping that the market bounces here because that'll be a super A+ setup in my opinion.
And that's why I took the 50% of that range, but then I have demand lower because we double bottomed there. This is where we got long. So yeah.
Justin just don't speak the lingo yet. Justin's okay. Relax. Justin's a in the box type of trader. So like when Justin gets in his box, it's really hard to get him out of the box to just, it's not about being an ICT trader, in my opinion. It's about understanding the market from a contextual sense from multiple standpoints, right? I like to diversify in that sense. Justin, he more so likes to stay in a box. I'm not a fan of staying in a box. I like to understand, multiple ways of trading. So
yeah, I would have never guessed that's why the PM low is that. I just took it as noon and above, but we'll see what happens.
Like I said, it's that part of it is subjective, right? Like to what you define as the PM low. I define it. I understand how they view it, and I view it based off the structure. But I think it's important for me to, for us to run a community of traders that trade so many different ways. I think it's important to be able to speak the language. That's why I don't trade ICT. I don't watch ICT videos, but I think it's important to understand the lingo. Yeah, 1:30 to 4:30. Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have never guessed. I'd be like noon. Noon is afternoon.
He's like, well, PM session is technically afternoon, but that's lunchtime, right? So like the way they looking at it is when the market starts to heat back up, theoretically, like everybody goes to lunch after the London close at 12. They take that hour break and then they come back into that next macro at 110, 130 time frame. And that's usually what the market likes to target, is that liquidity inside of that area. So like you ever notice sometimes you draw your demand zone based off structure, and then we don't come to the demand zone. We come about 10 or 15 points higher. But if you scroll to the left, we didn't come to the demand zone, but we tap back into time. So like this range right here, this 1330 to 1340 or 1310 to this macro number 9, essentially we use this range, right, as the area where the market will play off of, right? And that's what they look to target right there. That's why he said 172.
You don't think it's interesting though, is that if it's an algorithm and it's a computer, then why does lunchtime matter? Does the algorithm take lunch?
Yes, Justin.
Okay.
The algorithm isn't stopping. The algorithm never stops buying and selling. The algorithm facilitates price, right? But that doesn't mean just because it's lunchtime, it doesn't mean price stops. It means the involvement of price slows down, right? London session closes, people go to lunch, big money takes a break. So the volume is lower during those time periods. It doesn't mean nobody's trading. It just means that the volume is lower, but the volume increases inside of these macro areas of time. That's why they focus on those areas of time, because it defines area where the algorithm is injecting liquidity during those time frames. So the computer is not taking a nap.
I was just joking, but yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's important. I think it's important to understand it, at least to give it a look. You know what I mean? So you can at least understand what people are talking about. You are running a live YouTube channel, you know what I mean, with a bunch of fucking ICT traders in it.
Yeah, but I mean, everybody's gonna trade their own way. I mean, I understand ICT concepts in a basic sense, but I'm not gonna trade them. So there's no, like, if somebody wanted to trade ICT, I would tell them to we have Pip, so Pip can definitely help with that. But yeah, I don't know. I don't have any I don't have any desire to learn ICT. So I think it's just whatever you want to do at the end of the day. So
yes, the algorithm uses time as an anchor. Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
But yeah, I was just joking about the algorithm taking a lunch break. I just thought it was funny. Here come these sellers.
Tesla up 10%. Jesus Christ. Let me see. Tesla been on some crazy shit lately.
I think that was yesterday that Tesla ran 10%.
Oh yeah, no, I was reading Kyle's comment.
Yeah. He was saying that Tesla.
Oh yeah, it's not up 10% in the open. In the pre-market, it's still above yesterday's high by about $5. So that might be 10%. It might be 10%. I don't know.
Yeah, it ran like damn near $15 yesterday. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Remember the days when Tesla used to run like $200 and $300 in a day?
Mm-hmm. That I do, sir.
Them options was hella expensive too.
Sliding
Been
down.
studying ICT since 2017. Damn, it's a long time. He was probably in like the OG mentorship that he was running. It was 2017.
The original days.
Well, it looks like price was trying to slide down lower, but see if we can run this liquidity and then go up higher. There's a lot of liquidity below us.
I want us to go lower. I really do. I just always hate when that first candle coming into the macro is a doji candle. That shit just drives me crazy. I'm like, what the fuck is that? What are we doing? Don't give me that indecisive bullshit. All right, we're trading back. We are trading back into 207 though. I want lower prices, and I'm not trying to enter here because to me this is just the middle of where I'm looking to trade. But I see an opportunity to potentially take longs here, but I'm not going to take them. I want to wait to see what we do by the time we get to 950. I would prefer that the market's down in my area to trade by 950. That would be my preferred scenario. Yo, relax. I want us to go up. I just think we're in the middle of price right here. Not in the middle of price, just in the middle of how I'm looking at price, right? Like, I mean, this could be the bottom for somebody, but the way I'm looking at price, I think we're in the middle because this is the top here, right? And then the middle is down at the daily fib, right? So I feel like we're closer to the middle than we are the top. So I'd much rather allow this to come down a little bit further, or if it bounces from here, then I'll look to enter on a pullback of this area. But I do see an opportunity for longs to step in here for sure.
Yeah, I'm still viewing this more on the bearish sense. I think I'm hoping longs step in because I want to short this back up there at the previous high of day. So I want this to get bullish. Can we talk trades in here?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I mean, you could drop any of your trades we drop them in the shop trade ideas section, or you can drop them right here in this section here if you want to take screenshots of your trades, or you want to discuss trade ideas, or that's the trader shop, baby. Of course we can talk trades here.
Yeah, I definitely want to see that high of day get tested. Oh, everybody's quiet. Yeah, people normally are just chilling, just kind of listening. But you know, Valdez will get on the mic and talk about his trades. So will Eddie, Mike, Bud, everybody. Everybody will talk.
Yeah. Give it some time. Let the market open. Let it warm up. Everybody's probably studying the charts right now. Nobody's really thinking about conversation. It's kind of like the YouTube channel, man. Like it starts off really slow, and then once we have a little bit more to talk about, then the market gets going. I mean, you're not. If you're waiting for people to call out what trades they're going to take, then that's probably not going to happen. But people will discuss area price and area, right?
Yeah, I think we're gonna get a bounce here and come back up higher. It's wishful thinking. Yeah. Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Kyle. Oh no, you're good. Like, we've managed to juggle this quite well. We're almost at our 1 year anniversary too, which is crazy.
Yeah,
man, I'm starting to like this area a lot.
It's August 31st.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just defining the area. Like this area looks good, but I'm not gonna long it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until I get that aggressive liquidity sweep, right? Like I want to see that absolute flush into my demand area. Or we get a nice liquidity sweep the other way back into supply. Yeah, long as it's not. I mean, it didn't go crazy. It's all right, but yeah, it's moving. It's moving. I mean, NQ doing the same thing. It's just doing it the opposite way. ES is already starting to push up here, guys. So this is why I say this area could potentially be a good area for longs, but I'm still gonna wait it out. I mean, this was a pretty lackluster open, if you ask me.
The market.
Yeah, here they come. I'm talking about the 920, 930 macro, Justin.
Oh.
Market been open. They just ain't rang the bell yet. The market been open.
Not for everybody.
What you mean? Everybody is eligible to trade the market that's a futures trader. Everybody.
I'm talking about the option traders and.
Well, what market are you? What market are you trading?
Well, all that factors in. All that volatility ends up factoring in at 9:30.
Yeah, but the market's open before 9:30.
I mean, the market is open at 6 o'clock.
I know. That's what I said. The market been open. You said it wasn't. I'm like, yeah.
Well, I mean, the stock
New York session hasn't opened yet. Which is what you're trying to say. The New York session hasn't opened yet, but that's not the market. The market is 24.6 or 23.6. The New York session opens at 9:30.
And that is what I care about.
And away we go. And again, looking real bullish down here. Fucking knew these bitches was gonna run this shit. I fucking hate the market sometimes. Now let's see what we do at 246. God damn, bro. This shit gone. Bro, ES is super sending right now. This shit is giga sending. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know about them shorts, bro. All right, we just tapped the 50% right there. Let's see what we do right here. if we blow right past this, it's about to be night for this market. Like these bulls, if they don't defend right here, it's over with. Bro, ES is ripping right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. This shit don't look like no sweep to me. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Bruh. This shit just fucking sad. I swear these fucking buyers have no chill, no respect, bro. What the fuck was that? All right, let's see if they defend up here. This is the area where the market needs to defend. I'm not touching shorts. I refuse. I fucking refuse. Whatever short idea I had, that shit just went out the window. No sir. Oh my god. Oh my. Bro, this is what I wanted for the open, right? Like this is what I wanted. Oh Jesus. My god, bro. This shit just gigas. Yo, just give me a pullback. I don't fuck shorts. Just give me a pullback. That's it. That's all I want, man. Give my brother a fucking pullback. Damn. That was fucking crazy. All right. Well, that was a certainty. Oh, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Now I know the area where I want to trade for sure. I just want to see if these sellers really need to defend this, right? This is that previous day low, 50% of the previous high and previous low. We came into here really aggressive, so sellers really need to defend this. This is their last ditch effort right here. They really need to get busy.
I agree with that.
But with the aggressive way we came up, you can't pay me to short this shit. You couldn't pay me to short it. You could give me $1,000. I'd still be like, no, I'm good, bro. I just wait for the pullback. No effing way.
They're still coming up.
Yeah, no effing way. No way. 15-minute fair value guy. Yeah. Look, if it's gonna sell, it has to sell aggressively. Right? Like if it's gonna sell, they gotta dump this shit. And I want to see everything agreeing. I want to see the VIX, I want to see the stocks, I want to see everything in agreement. If that doesn't happen, they can keep it. Yeah, they on fucking demon time, bro. They took souls. For all of you motherfuckers that wanted to short that low, we got something for that ass. We got something for that ass. Market is crazy, bro. This shit is on demon time. All right, here's a potential reversal up here. This is what I want to see in this area. I'm not going to short this. I see the opportunity for the shorts. I'm just going to fade it. I'd much rather just wait for the market to come back down unless the market starts to really sell. Like if I start to get the VIX in agreement, then I'm very interested. Otherwise, I'm just going to stick with my plan, which is look to long the market at the 1 hour demand zone down there. There's a really nice sell candle. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. A nice pump out of the VIX right there. Let's see if we hold these lows down here though, right? Now the market's got a decision to make here. So we just broke a high above, what was that? We just broke the high above 229. So now I want to see us hold, for the buyers, I want to see us hold 217. That's the area I'm going to be looking for the market to hold. If we just blow right through it, then the market wants to continue to sell down. VIX just got a nice push to it. If you took those shorts up there at the top, good on you. But I'm gonna wait. Yeah, if you took it, trail it, because that's how I'm looking
back
at
up aggressively.
If you took it, you better be trailing that shit, because these motherfuckers. Whatever to me right now, the reason why I don't want to short the market is because the shorts are gonna come down so fast, but the market's gonna buy it up really quickly, and you're gonna either get scared out of your position or you're gonna get accidentally stopped out of your position. So you have to be so exact with the shorts that I'd rather just leave them alone, for me. And as long as the VIX is continuing to sell off, I'm still looking for longs. I just want to pull back. That's our first tap. Let's see if we sweep these lows. Again, this is the first initial area where a lot of people end up buying. And this is a mistake that I've made a lot, right? Like we see this aggressive push out, and then I'll buy right here and then get swept out by this candle. Then we'll pump up again and I'll buy that too and get swept out by that candle. So now I'm just trying to be patient and wait for the actual sweep into the area where I'm looking to trade. So, and that area sits right here. My shit is like super lag mode right now. Man, just take that up. I don't even know where my cursor is now. Again? What just happened? Somebody just get into a game?
Yeah. Kyle put watch together. No, I'm not playing nothing. I don't know what watch together is. It's something. Maybe I think it uses like YouTube or something to watch stuff. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Kyle in here pressing stuff ain't nobody ever pressed before. As soon as you get in the Discord, he that kid to just keep pressing buttons.
Oh, now he's trying to watch the stream.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, I still hit the wrong button.
Gotcha.
Here come these bulls again. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see if they sweep these equal lows. See, this is where it be looking so juicy, and then I take it and get smoked. So I'm gonna just wait. No. Yeah, I think they leaving the building play. Come on, reject up there. And this is why I wouldn't short the market, right? Like for me, this is why it's hard to get short, because when the bulls go, they just keep buying. When the bears go, you get this one bearish candle, and then the bulls buy the damn near 90% of the candle back, right? Before then continuing down. You just got to be quick on the trigger if you're going to short this shit. Gold is continuing its rally. ES did sweep the high, barely, but still stayed right below the high. So market could just be consolidating, waiting on news. Remember, we got ISM in 5 minutes and 20 seconds. So.
Oh, I forgot about that ISM.
Yeah. I just looked at the Forex there. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna wait. I want to see a sweep down, and then I'll pick it up from there. Oh, no, you good, Kyle. You good. $22.83. Import prices at 10 a.m. Thanks, brother. Oh yeah, FOMC. I won't be here for FOMC. If I haven't found my trades by then, I'm just not trading. Yeah, I just want to see us trade down. That's it. Just a little bit, just a wee bit down.
I want to see us trade a wee bit down too.
Justin's in a short. Justin's in a short. Said I want to see us trade a wee bit down too. Come on down.
Yeah, we'll see. I caught it on the higher low, but we gotta break through these wicks.
Yeah, I think it's a good area to look for the shorts. Still. It's just we're just so fucking bullish that I just refuse. I'd rather just wait for the market to, if it's gonna flush, I'd rather just pick it up on the way down. Pick it up when it comes down.
I got a 9-point risk, so
yeah, and your entry's probably saucy. So as long as you got a good entry, you can definitely hold through this choppiness.
Yeah, my entry's pretty good. I got 49.25. We were just so volatile. We wicked so quick at my level that I couldn't get in quick enough.
Yeah, these bulls are just they're just thirsty, man. I'm like, bro, nope.
Yeah, we're struggling.
I will not be
struggling to break down here.
I'm gonna wait till 9:50. See where we're at around that time. I just cannot short when we get that aggressive strength. When that shit comes up like that, no, I'm not getting short. If it doesn't immediately reject, nah. I want to see that shit immediately get beat down. If it doesn't immediately reject, I always get nervous to even look at a short. Then it feels like price acceptance. And this is the support area from last night too. This is the exact place we consolidated all last night too.
Yeah, we're back in that range. I got stopped out, but I did get back in with a much better entry this time. So try it one more time in this area. I still like shorts here. I still think we go down, but I got a way better entry this time. This time I got in 53, and I can put my stop at the ultimate high. So now I'm just really
so now
you're
invalidated. Wrong. Yeah. If you get stopped out now, you're truly invalidated. Yeah, I like that re-entry. I don't like the short, but I definitely like the way you're managing it for sure. When I say I don't like the short, I mean it's just not for me. But
yeah,
I like the way you're managing it though. You're basically accepting the full risk of the high with a much better entry.
Yeah.
News in a minute and 47 seconds, guys.
Yeah, I'll hold this through the news. Hopefully, I mean.
Oh, just take your ass down already. Jesus Christ. We know you want to go down. At least if Traders Anonymous is there, it's like, it's obvious the market wants to trade down. Okay. It's for certain. All right. Okay.
He knows better than all of us.
Yep. I'm short and know I'm about to be flat. I know I'm about to be flat. I mean, I think there's an opportunity to be short. It's just going to be, I think it's going to be short-lived, right? But I just do not like all the buying. I'm not a fan of shorts today, like at all. But those are the days where you know, there's probably the best shorts may come in, but I don't think so.
Looking too good with this news coming in. We'll see, though.
I think we sweep 5-minute supply. Yeah, we could. I mean, we're making higher highs and higher lows on the smaller time frames, but we got to get above the high. So I think Justin's short is valid as long as we keep the high intact. So, like he said, he got a much better entry. So
yeah, much better entry this time. So if it works out,
10 on a day in GC out till news is done. Yeah. I'm pretty much flat. I just need like,
this news is about to be a nothing burger.
I mean, both of them have been so far. Like the
exactly
news
why
hasn't done shit.
That's why I think we're not doing nothing on this news. Oh,
man, it's so hard to be a bear. This shit is it's stressing me out looking at, like, I'm not even in the trade. I'm getting stressed out. I'm like, oh God. It's just stressing me out too. I'm like, just flushed already. Yeah, what's up, Mr. Pot? What's going on, buddy?
It looks like it doesn't want to flush, but we'll see.
I mean, at the end of the day, you took a great trade, in my opinion. you stuck with the idea, and you put your stop at the invalidation point. So
yeah,
it's either going to invalidate you or it's going to give you what you're looking for. I mean, it's coming up as a nice bear flag right now. I really like the choppy way, the choppy manner that it's coming up. It's like somebody's filling a sell side position. So I would say you're in a good short. It's just I just don't like the shorts. I'd say you're at the high of day. You took a good structural area. You did everything right. Like, all you got to do is just wait to see if you get rewarded.
Yeah.
It's just so painful to watch.
I'm not even looking at my screen right now as far as.
Oh, good, because it's painful.
So, I mean, if it's gonna stop me out, then it'll stop me out at 65. It looks like it's going to.
And your risk is managed, right? At the end of the day, it's just a lost trade. That's fine. I mean, it's either a winner or a loser.
Ooh, okay. I'm not stopped out yet.
You're not stopped out yet. You know they gotta play with you first. Let me guess, bro is short. Yeah, he's short right now.
Yeah, this was according to my plan, though.
Yeah, so. he had the plan, and it still looks good. We still haven't taken the high, right? Like,
yeah,
I just don't think it. I just think the Bulls are too strong. They're building structure right now.
Yeah,
they're either stair stepping to come down, or they're building structure to run the high.
Yeah, they're
and
definitely.
It looks more like they're building structure to run the high.
They're definitely trying to go higher.
Oh my god. Looks like the news already is out, I guess.
Oh yeah, the news did absolutely nothing.
Fucking nothing, burger, bro. Like
the news has been.
Are the banks even open today? Let me guess, bro. Sure, yeah, he's sure. You know, Justin love to short the strength, bro. He loved it. I got in long at 22.35. Yeah, I wanted longs down there. 22.35 was midnight price, which was beautiful. But I was hoping that we would sweep down a little further. Like I still don't think we're about to leave this area yet. I think we sweep the high and then we come down and sweep the low and just take everybody out. So I'm hoping that 950 brings us down so I can take longs. But if it doesn't, then I'll just. Yeah.
Nah, it's about to come get me.
Derek says, roll with the Bulls, Jay. Yeah, we was making our pre-market plan. Justin made it very clear that he was looking to short this shit. So
yeah.
What none of y'all say, I'm shorting this shit. I was like,
it was just based off of what the structure was. I felt like we need to go lower.
And I agree with you. I agree with you. I don't think that this is a bad trade. I still don't. I think that the market is just so super bullish. But as long as we hold that high up there, like I would actually short it right here. I'm just not going to. Like if I was short-minded, I would get short right now. Right. And that's just, if I wanted to short this, I would be short right fucking now. And my stop would be above the high, because if the market's gonna go higher, it has to break the high. If it's gonna go lower, it's gonna dump from here. I just don't trust the short, so I'm not fucking shorting this shit. Nope.
Yeah, nah, definitely don't blame you. And these bulls continue to buy every single time we come down. So
yeah, London midnight. That's why I said this morning. I said, bro, everything's already been swept. There's nothing to do but go up. 950 expansion, exactly. Yeah, I just missed the trade. I was hoping for a little bit lower pool. We didn't get the lower pool, so I missed the trade. It's fine. Like I'm not tripping off of it at all. I'm almost reserved to just waiting a little longer, maybe inside of that 10, 11 o'clock time frame, when the stocks close, to get my trade on, because I just haven't liked where the market was in regards to where I wanted to trade it. So I'm just gonna sit on my hands because I know oh my god, yeah, they stair stepped that shit up. They tricked so many retail traders that were looking to short this. I guarantee so many people got short every time we stair step, because they stair stepped this up so ugly. But then they were running the high every time. Stair step up, run the high. Stair step up, run the high. Today we might get just 80 points. Could be. I'm more inclined to believe we have a regular day though, because the equity markets close early, but yeah, it's gonna be a regular day. I don't think anything's crazy gonna happen, in my opinion. But we'll see. The retraction have been for minor today to minor today. 200 points on the way. Yeah, could be. Could be. God, look at the fucking 15-minute candle, bro. God.
Yeah.
Bro, like, this shit is crazy, bro. This is crazy. So, Jay, what I will say is I think you took a great trade, but when we go back and analyze this, the structural retest was spot on. But you got to remember, we're in bullish character at all times, right? So any sweep of these major lows down here, the reason why I didn't want to short it is because we swept this major low down here at 209. So this could be, in regards to the sequence, you got your first tap up here, right? And then we sweep this low, and then we sweep this low down here. And then we went all the way back up on a higher time frame. So like when you're selling, you're looking at the smaller time frame on the 1 minute. And I think the area is nice, but it's coming from the 15-minute structure. You feel me?
Yeah.
So like the overall structure is super bullish. So it's like, it's very, very difficult to trust any type of breakdown of price because it just essentially on a higher time frame is a higher low, not a lower high. That's why I didn't trust it. I was like, nah. And we ended up tapping into PM session range. That's ironic.
To move up. This shit's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, at this point, I'm just going to wait for the market to pull back. If it doesn't pull back, I'm just going to walk away, take my ducats and bounce. But we ended up really getting aggressive down here at these lows. This is exactly what I wanted to see when I was in with the Discord. Crazy part is, again, I'll say it again. If I would have took the trade on ES, I would have still been in the trade, right? Because ES never broke the structure, right? If I would have took that exact same trade, and this is why I was saying like the differences between ES and NQ, how I had the same exact levels on ES, and I'll show you guys this in the market review. I had the same exact levels on ES and NQ. ES never broke the low at 55.60, and NQ broke the low at 235 and stopped me out. If I would have took the same trade on ES, I would have been in this trade the whole time. So that just goes to show that it was a good area. It just wasn't good for the instrument that I was trading, right? Like the instrument I was trading wanted lower, right? But the idea of us holding the structural low was there. We just did it. We just did it on a different instrument, right? And let's see if Justin still gets these shorts, because if they're going to come in, they're going to come in inside of this 950 macro. Because just remember, we're still not above the ultimate high of 284. So if the shorts are going to come in, they're going to come in inside of this 950 macro, because we're trading bullishly inside of the 950 macro. I'm still not going to take them. I'm going to wait for 1010 to bring us down. But I think 950 could be the macro that brings us down. Go ahead, brother. Yep, I see that. That's another reason that kind of kept me abreast to the potential of a short here, because YM's taking the market down. NQ's just continuing its rally. I'm not shorting NQ until the VIX comes on board. That's just how I'm living it. I don't even sure what anybody else does. The shorts just make me very, very uncomfortable. But now you see 950 macro takes us up, which you anticipate us trading back down into 1010. And how low we come down, I don't know. I don't know how low we're going to come down, but I know that by 1010, I want to see what we're doing inside of this macro. Still no trades for me yet. I'm still flat, just waiting to see what we do. I did take 2 losses in another account this morning on 3 micros, but I called those trades out live with the Discord. That's the trade that I was talking about this morning. Again, the choppy manner in which we came up here is concerning if I'm a bull. That would very much concern me if I was a bull. And I think that the macro could bring the pain. There's the 5-minute inverted doji or inverse candle right there. Here's the push down. This is what you want to see. Now you want to see if the sellers can take price below the low at 233. Yeah, if I'm going to short it, I'm going to short it at my planned area. I'm not going to short it here. My area to short is up there toward the all-time highs at 304 through 370. I don't have any plan for this area, so I'm not touching this shit. The only plan I can think of on the fly is longing this shit off previous day high. Essentially what we did all day yesterday. There goes the push off previous day high. Again, trapping all of these. But man, I've been seeing this so many times. I was just talking to Jay about this yesterday.
Yep. Every time we come down there, we get that bounce,
bro. Every single time, bro. I've been seeing this trade so many times. It's ridiculous. And then Jay, you remember I talked to you about that 5-minute inverted hammer? Every time I see that shit, when we sweep that inverted hammer, we just go right past it. Look at ES. ES is gone. ES has left the building, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't taken any trades. I'm hands off of this because I missed my opportunities. So I'm spectating at this point until we come back down to something a little bit lower. Like I missed all of this. I analyzed it correctly, but it wasn't in my planned area. I should have been trading ES because ES was perfectly for the way that I like to trade. ES was set up perfectly. Damn. Oh yeah, we're going to all-time highs. I mean, look at ES. ES is sending. This thing is gone. ES is 10 points away from all-time highs. We're definitely going to all-time highs today. I would be shocked if we didn't go to all-time highs today. Because once we get above, which we're already trading above, NQ's almost trading above that 283, 284 level. For me, I'm still flat. I'm still waiting for the opportunity. I missed the opportunity, but not because I didn't miss it because I planned for it, right? I didn't plan for where the market bounced. So I didn't have a plan for that area, but I saw the opportunity for that area. So I'll go back and review that missed opportunity, but I'm not going to be upset about it in the least bit because I didn't plan for it. I can be upset about ES because I did plan for 55.60 to hold on ES. I just didn't trade it because I was fading it today. Yeah, just for me, whenever I see a 930 candle that comes out and rallies motherfucking 50, 60 points, like that shit's always scary on NQ to try to short it. I just can't do it. Like I said, I like the criteria, but it's just scary. I'd be like, nope, I will wait. Because these fucking bulls, they just have had no chill. None. Yeah, I don't trust them. I'd much rather just loan the market. Done for the day. Made a few G's. Let's go with Kai. Have a great 4th, brother. Have a great 4th. Good job, man. Good job. Yeah, I'm just being very, very cautious, and I'm only looking to trade my plan and my setup today. If I don't see my setup and my plan, I will close this fucking account and lock this bitch out so fast and go do something else. I'm too close to getting this this larger account funded, and I don't want to go backwards. So I'm just gonna wait. I only need to make about 1,500. I can make that on a different type of day. Today was good. It just so far it hasn't aligned with how I'm viewing the market yet.
We got this news here in like
another one. Damn.
Yeah. This is the news. This is the big news. This is the news that like should kind of determine.
Oh, this is the red folder. Okay.
Yeah, gotcha. This is the big news. So
yeah. Looking at the volatility index, the market still wants up. Oh, Apple just broke above all-time highs by $2. Microsoft just flashed above all-time highs. Meta is pushing back up above pre-market high.
Holy shit.
Well, yeah, I'm not. There's no. Oh my god, the tape.
Holy
the chart
shit.
Literally just gapped up. Top Step X couldn't even keep up.
That was so fast. Top Step X didn't.
Top Step X couldn't even keep up. That shit. That might have been the sweep to go down though. Yeah, that's the sweep to go down. That's right in the middle of the macro. Justin, you better have caught that goddamn short.
Huh?
Justin, you better have caught that goddamn short.
Maybe.
Yeah, you better have caught that short. I know Justin caught it because he was looking at that shit like, that's the sweep I wanted. I'd get the fuck out though. I would get the fuck out right now. I want to long this so bad. I'm so nervous. It's too volatile. Hold on. No, I'm not watching it too. Go ahead.
Shaky warrior.
You know, bearish candles are bullish candles in this market. In this market, it's like they just go bearish to get the fuck out of the way. Bookmap frozen? No, it just lagged. I don't think it's frozen.
No, you know, your Bookmap is frozen.
Is it frozen?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't looked at it. Hang on. Oh no, it's aggregating for market data. It's still aggregating, guys. It moves so fucking fast, like everything just stopped. Hang on, let me see if it's still working. Oh no, my shit froze. I think that rally broke my Bookmap, bro. Apple is continuing to push aggressively into 222. It's probably continuing to push. My computer is like frozen. Whatever just happened, fuck my computer all the way up.
Yeah, I showed mine.
Now it's showing on two different screens. I don't even know what the hell is happening. What is this? Why is Bookmap over here now? Why is ES over here now? I have no idea what just happened, guys. Give me a second. I'm gonna get it together. Looks like the Bulls are about to come and take that high again. Just, I really hope you took profit down there. These motherfucking Bulls have no, they have no chill, bro. These motherfuckers have no chill. All right. I don't know what I'm sharing now. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, that rally broke my shit. Apple is going for it right now. Going for it. All right, let me close some of these tabs. Maybe that's the reason. Google is getting absolutely destroyed right now.
Yeah, we're in the middle between those two.
I think she wants to come down, but I'm so scared to short this shit. I'm so scared to get short. I refuse to short this demon. This fucking demon, man. The VIX is still strong or still weak. Amazon is giving it up though. Oof. Maybe she do want to come down. I can't do it, Justin. I can't do it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I see so many reasons to get short, but none of them are playing out. Like every time I look, I'm like, yeah, that's probably a good short. And the market buys it up so fast. Could be one of those days where we just stay in a range too. So be careful with that, guys. I think everybody and their mother wants this thing to come down, and the buyers just don't give a fuck. They just keep buying. Yeah, I'm out of here. If we range, I will stay flat out this motherfucker. I'm not fucking up my holiday weekend. That's why I'm so cautious, man. I'm like, man, I want to trade this shit, but yo, we acted weird already. It's been a good week. Yeah. He's like, yeah, y'all all right over there? Y'all good? Yeah, we good. We still alive. Shit.
That was hella indecisive candle right there.
There's nothing going on, bro. I think I might just stay flat, man. I don't like this. I don't like this this trappy behavior we're having right now. Again, if you just look at the market as a bull, everything is fine. Nothing has changed. If you just be bullish, nothing has changed. VIX is bullish. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
VIX and DXY not working together. DXY is bearish. VIX is bullish on the current 1 hour candle. I don't know what that means. I just can tell you, like, the way I'm looking at the VIX is that motherfucker is bearish as hell. And as long as it stays bearish, the market can play around all it wants to. And ultimately, it just wants to go up. Whenever it decides it wants to do something different, then yeah, I'll change my thesis. But the market is like literally every time we sweep, You just buy the market, essentially. Like I hate to say it that way, but it's the truth. Every time we sweep, just buy the fucking market. It's crazy. There is no. I have seen zero reason to sell the market.
Here it goes again.
Other than like a quick look at all the times the market tried to sell down, right? Look at the candles and how aggressive they are when we sell down. Like it's one candle, one time, followed by more buying, more buying, more buying, more buying. One candle straight down, more buying, more buying, more buying, more buying. Like the selling is just fueling the rally higher. And it's trapping so many people at the lows. Every time the market comes down aggressive, it just continues to trap more sellers because everybody wants to catch the top. Everybody wants to get the top, right? Let's see if this holds.
More selling.
More aggressive selling. Let's see if this holds this time. That's an inverse. That's a head and shoulders pattern now. Let's see how many people we trap with that shit. This market, man. I really want the market to come down. Please don't get it twisted. I just need to see something to convince me otherwise, right? I've seen nothing that is convincing me that the market wants to continue to come down. If that's the case, fuck it, man. I'll just stay hands off. Jump already. Do something. That's a perfect head and shoulders right there, like fucking textbook. But it seems like every single pattern you think should work out, the market just keeps coming. All right, now let's see if the bears are ready.
I doubt it.
Now let's see what they want to do. Oh my gosh. The VIX is still at 15. Still no changes for me. If we flush this again, like I told you guys, I'm not shorting this market. So if we flush this, it is what it is. I'm not going to be bothered by it, flustered by it in the least bit. I feel like if the market won't sell off and it won't go higher, it's just going to range. Gold is absolutely sending. Damn. Gold is gone. Good job for whoever that said they took loans on gold. Today was the day to trade gold for sure.
Yeah, I'm looking at ES right now too, and ES isn't coming down nearly as far as NQ, which means NQ is probably going to continue this rally.
I think as long as NQ stays above previous day high, it's a buy. It's just not a buy for the way I want to trade it. Like I need it to come down or get out of this area. One of the two. This is nuts. NQ being a wild child today, bro. I might switch it up on y'all. Go over to ES. NQ being a whole fucking crazy person right now. All right, here comes the nope. Every time you think they about to flush it. Nope. Here it goes. Nope. Oh my gosh. Yo, Godspeed today, fellas. I'm staying very, very safe right now. I am so safe from this bullshit right here. We usually get days like this too. Like after we get such a clean day of movement yesterday, we usually get some shaky bullshit happening. The macros start to overlap. We start to stay in this weird ass range. Valdez, I know this is the day that you struggle, so be careful, man. Be careful. Be safe out there, bro, because these are the days that we end up giving back all of that profit that we made all week, right? Fuck that shit, bro. Like the market ain't doing what I want to do. I'm not giving back shit. Nope. I worked too hard for this shit. I can't get a good read on it. I'm sitting on my fucking hands. I'm not giving my money back. I worked too hard. And I was mentally prepared for some bullshit today too. I knew it was going to be some bullshit. Previous day high is holding again on NQ. Very, very clean push up. Let's see if it can actually go. I will wait for something a little bit more cleaner, a little bit more clean, because I'm looking for the bigger move, right? So I either need us to get above the all-time high, something like that, or look to enter inside of this consolidation. which it looks nice, but it's still kind of bearish character for me, right? So I want to see us truly trade and stay above the high and then come back down and retest these lows. Right now, this is range territory. I don't like trading ranges, so I'm going to stay away. We're not putting in a new high. We're not putting in a new low. Therefore, we're in a range. When I see that, Hobbs is hands off, right? I'm hands off. Don't blow your accounts today, guys. I'm telling you right now, this is the behavior that will fuck your account up today. And the market purposely does this shit, right? Like purposely. It does it every week. Every week we have a day like this where like it eventually wants to go down or it eventually wants to go up. And yeah, you might have been right. You just couldn't hold, or you keep getting stopped out, or you keep changing your opinion and going long and going short, or whatever the fuck you got to do. I'm telling you right now, sometimes the best situation is to just stay in cash. If you don't feel comfortable trading, yeah, the best situation is no situation, right? And if you don't understand what's going on right now, and if you don't like what's going on, I understand what's happening. I just don't like it. So until the market decides to make a decision in an aggressive manner to the down or upside, and or it comes back down to my level where all of this buying came from, right? This fair value gap area, right? Where all of this buying came from down at 225 through roughly about 206. I'm not touching this shit. It can do whatever it wants. It can do this whole song and dance where it traps a whole bunch of people short and long. It's not trapping me. I'm hands off. My hands is right here. My fucking computer is right here, but I'm not fucking touching this shit. No fucking way. Longs at 557525. Too high for me. Too high. That's damn near the top. It's literally the highest point of price right now. So, I mean, you're 5 points off the highest point. I'd be very careful taking that entry. JH the bull. I know you're a bull, but you want people to buy after you. I'm already tucked today. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I know, man. I'm telling you, today is the day. Too many damn wits to do. Exactly. Today is one of those days you're going to find yourself chasing your tail. Don't fall into this trap, right? Doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result is the definition of insanity. Don't be insane. You're smarter than this. You're better than this, right? At some point, you have to wake up and realize that shit and be like, I wouldn't do this on any other situation. If I was playing a video game, I wouldn't continue to jump off the fucking cliff if I know every time I jump off the cliff, I die, right? Like at some point, I'll get smarter and just say, okay, I'm gonna go around and take a different route, right? The market looks bullish. It looks bearish. I think it's going up. No doubt about it in my brain, right? But I can't get a good read to enter. I have an idea, right? But I'm afraid to execute on the idea. And I'm okay with being afraid, right? I'm good with admitting that I'm scared to execute this shit. Because where I want price to go, I don't think it can go there until the range breaks. And I'll just find myself longing this shit, shorting this shit, longing this shit, and shorting this shit. And that's not how I trade. So if I don't see the opportunity that I really want, I'm gonna be hands off. So yo, what up, fam? I've been hella bullish, busy, but stopping through to say hi. Also, today is a good day. I just passed 9 evals on Flexi Trade. You got to tell us, do they get? Is that the new prop firm, Jay?
No, Flexi Trade is You've been talking about Flexi Trade for a minute. That's the one that had the five accounts. It had the promo for 5 for like, I don't know, like $400 or something like that, right? Custom.
Nice.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Custom, what's up?
What's up, Custom? I'm already tucked today, man. Just bro, slow down, man. Just slow down and just think. You got to slow down and let the market come to you. The market hasn't come to me yet, right? And it hasn't given me what I really wanted yet. And you know what? It's a shortened day. I'm up on the week. I'm doing really good this week. And part of that is discipline, right? Part of that is understanding when not to trade. And right now, no, I'm not fucking with it, right? I'm not fucking with it, right? And that's part of growing as a trader, right? You don't, I love to trade the 920, 930 open, the 950, 1010. I love to trade all of that shit, but the setup wasn't how I like it. So because it wasn't how I liked it, I just said, fuck it. No, I'm not trading it. Until we get above the high or we've proved that we can go somewhere other than this area, I'm chilling. But I think the previous day high entry was sauce. I'll go back and study that when I review the tape this weekend of me trading. I'll go back and study that, and maybe I'll start adding that to my repertoire of trades when the market is this bullish or bearish, right? Because those previous day high bounces have been so solid, super solid. They've been very dependable. Not to mention, previous day high also ended up being support from last night, right? So that would have been a really good area to enter the market long. So I'm cool with not entering it because I was afraid, but I'm chilling, man. I'm relaxed. I'm very, very relaxed with this. I'm taking in the information, right? So
yeah, we double tap that area twice, and we tap VWAP. Well,
you said double tapped.
Yeah, double tap. Yeah, double.
I thought you said double tapped it. I was like, what?
No. Double tap that area twice, and then we also we also tapped VWAP twice as well.
Oh, my bad, yo. I'm sorry, Jay. I was reading the comments as well. Sorry, guys. I'm not looking at Bookmap, so definitely let me know if I'm fucking Bookmap up. But does that work? Is that better, Mike? Yeah, my bad, brother. I wasn't looking at it. It was fucked up earlier, so I like had to
button.
Reset it. No. I had zoomed in. You know, when I was trying to figure out if it was working, I was like scrolling on the mouse, and it was working, but it was all delayed. It was all delayed.
Yeah, the market's got to get above this news candle. If we can get above the news candle, I think.
What's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. Did I say something else? Did I say something different?
No, I think you're just asking.
Oh yeah.
The market's got to get over this news candle here.
Are you long, Justin?
Damn right, I'm long. I got long.
You could just say that. You try to act like you hiding it. Yeah. We just gotta get up this news candle. I'm like, bro, it's cool. Like, we don't care if you long.
I'm not hiding nothing.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm up about 20 points right now.
Good trade, man. Where'd you get in it?
2063. 2263 below. When we double bottomed and
yeah, it was beautiful. I just didn't trust it. I just didn't trust it, so I don't know. I bitched up and was like, nah, I'm good.
Yeah. I got kind of an egregious target right now. It's 324. But right now we're just kind of consolidating here.
I'm so happy for this day. Like, yes, finally. Oh, a rain day.
Who's that, Emmett?
You know, he loves his ranges. Yeah, I think we're looking to smooth up out of here, though. Looks like it. I think Justin got a really good entry. I don't know. I'm more inclined to just relax until I get exactly what I want. I haven't got what I want yet. Oh, he's using Quantower. Just Custom Barbecue said he's using nice Quantower platform with FlexiTrade. Quantower is pretty damn robust. Even has a free heat map, bookmap, copy trades, multiple accounts, simple platform, and dope as fuck.
Yep.
No diddy.
Nice. Yeah. I like Quantower.
Yeah, no. For me, it was just, oh my God, Tesla is taking the fuck off.
Oh man, we are just struggling to break this high here. We're just consolidating. Just hope we're not consolidating to go lower.
I don't know. I'm just viewing this as a range until we get above. Like I'm more inclined to just wait for an aggressive pullback after this trend breaks out. Like kind of like what we got yesterday, where we pulled back on the 15-minute time frame inside of that 11, 10, 12 o'clock macro. I'd rather just wait till that time. I have zero desire to trade this inside of this.
Yeah,
we're just so close to the high.
Feel good.
And ES is looking like it might want to reject it too, but I don't know. I wouldn't care what ES is doing. But.
We consolidated here for like 5 minutes. I'm just looking at the range, but I'm looking at it on the 15 second. I mean, even on the tape, you can see the consolidation right here.
The 15-minute looks really good too, though.
Yeah, we're just consolidating. I don't know what's gonna happen, so I got.
Boom, 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 boom.
I would love to see us rip through here, but it looks like we're gonna we're rejecting. We're breaking out of this consolidation bearishly. We'll see.
Still feeling rangy to me.
It definitely is. We're at the top of the range.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna draw a box. I'll do some little drawings while I'm here. Put myself in a box here. All right, I'm gonna take the support off here. I'm gonna draw what the range looks like in my brain. And until that breaks, which it might break while I'm drawing it, but let's see here. This is the high here. That's how I'm viewing price. And if this is the case, I have zero desire to trade this shit. Like zero. I ain't come to work for no damn range, bruh. I ain't come for no range, bruh.
We are holding this double bottom area, though. As long as we hold this double bottom area, then I'm good. As long as we hold 74, I'm good.
I'm trying to repeat it out loud. Like, let me just keep saying that to myself. I be doing the same shit. Like, look, as long as we hold this area, I'm good. I do that shit sometimes too. I'm like, bro, just speak about it so you at least understand where you're at in price.
Well, because yesterday we did that a lot too, where like we'd pull back into that double bottom support, and then we would hold it, and then we would rally from there.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. It looks really bullish. At least I'm not watching the tape, but I'm certain the tape is just filling liquidity.
Yeah, I'm just trying not to get shaken out too early.
Yeah, and then look back on it and be like, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Just walk
it's
away,
like
bro.
That's what I do. It's a damn double-edged sword. It's like you react because you think like you're making the right decision, and then you look back on it and be like, damn, I made the wrong decision. But then the times when you make the right decision, it's like, oh, well, I made the right decision this time. It's like, yeah. This thing looks like it's trying to come down now.
Still looking like a fucking range. Nope. All right, this is how I'm viewing price here. This is what I like to call my little chessboard. It kind of keeps me in a box. So, top of the box, purple. Bottom of the box, purple. And I'm looking to short the highs and long the lows. AKA, I'm looking to get long at the low. Fuck the highs. I put the heat in a box, called that hot box, because we smoking on that NQ pack. Were you crazy? We coming off a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Yep. It's very, very bullish. This is probably not coming back. Good. Yeah. Probably not. I don't know. 1030 will validate 207 as a low of day. Yeah, I think 207 is the low of day too, but I'm also viewing this like we could stay in this range all day. Right. And that's why I'm drawing this box, because I haven't taken a trade yet, but I know I don't want to short it. So I just want to wait to see if we come back to the lower end of the range. Had a limit order sitting at the all-time high, wicked in. Let's see if she can dip out of this range. Wait, you were looking to get long at the all-time high? We haven't hit any all-time highs yet.
Yeah, I think short, but yeah, we haven't hit the all-time high yet.
Yeah, we haven't hit the all-time highs yet. It's kind of slow today. Yeah, and that's what I'm trying to avoid, Potts, is like, I had a feeling that today we were going to be really, one of these days this week, I knew we were going to have one of them bullshit days. And I was like, what better day to do it than to do it on a fucking aggressive news day before a holiday? So I was like, you know what? I already came into the market kind of understanding that I may not trade today, right? And I'm cool with that. Here come these sellers flushing straight through, because again, every day is different but the same. We just had an aggressive push up, right? So I'm anticipating the market going back into what? Consolidation, right? We've been consolidating all last night. So we expanded the consolidation, but now we're just consolidating again, right? We're essentially just inside of a range again, right? So if that's the case, I'm not going to trade the range until we come down to the lower end of the range. Or maybe I don't trade at all. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do yet. I know right now I'm redeveloping restructuring my plan right now, because the plan that I originally had, we haven't come back to that structure yet. So if I'm going to trade up here, I need to have a different type of plan. In Discord family, I'll share you guys this chart. This is how I view price when we're in this range. I'm just being really patient right now. I don't really give a shit what price is doing right now. Publish. How the fuck do I share again? Good.
Daily. This daily candle is ugly as hell.
It's probably going to be one big ass doji by the end of the day. And it's trapping everybody. It's probably going to end up going up, but it is taking so many souls right now. And I don't want to donate my soul to the market devil today. I'm good. I'm not fucking with it right now. Short all-time high, on my terminal broker. I'm usually a DAX trader, has this limit order sitting for a while. So now chart chilling. Okay. So fuck the YouTube family, huh? We want to see your chart. Bro, you looking at the chart? What are you talking about? I'm about to share with them the chart so they have it and they can actually view it. You guys are looking at the chart that I'm about to share with them. You just saw me draw the chart, JH. What are you talking about?
Yeah,
everybody
Jay,
gets the same sauce until we're not available anymore. Like if you want the same sauce as the Discord, just join the Discord. It's not expensive. It's not like we got it. I'm salty, bro. You can join the Discord. It's $40 fucking a month. Like you pay Apex more than that in a day. not you. Some people. Could be you. Oh shit! What did I do? I did not mean to do that. Uh-oh. Oh god, I have no idea what I just did. Oh, I just. All right, you know what? Y'all can see the chart on YouTube. There's a share button. I just can't find it. I feel like they moved it. I used to be able to share my charts with you guys. And I swear it was under publish, but now it's not there. You still in this joint, Jay?
No, I got stopped out. I got stopped out and break even.
Yeah. It just feels like a range day, bro. Like I'm just viewing it like one big box.
It definitely is a range day for sure.
and I felt this day coming. I was trying to warn Valdez about it yesterday, and now I saw it. But as soon as we didn't take that high, I was like, not today, ISIS. And it's okay. You just got to identify where the range is, right? So now that I know where the range is at, now I know where I can participate in price if I choose to trade, right? So I'm just drawing my range out. I'm taking my time, being patient.
ISIS,
yeah, not today, ISIS. No, sir. I see you. I see you, devil. No. And for the newbies in the Discord, definitely go check out the chessboard analogy video. It's in the T-Hobbs section of the Discord. If you check out that video, that's exactly how I'm viewing price right now, based off the chessboard analogy. Don't do it right now, but later when you get time, go check that video out. It's an analogy I made up to break down price to my wife, and the Discord liked it, so I just kept it. So nobody can ever say they created that, but T-Hobbs and the Trader Shop boys. Yeah, it looks like we're rejecting right at the top of that range right there. So yeah, we could just stay range bound all day today, which I'm comfortable with. I'm comfortable with that. We're so close to that 304.50 too. Man, what is so important about this all-time high at this time? We hit 300 and fucking rejected. My plan was to short at 304.50. Maybe I could have took that short, but yeah. We gotta go into that zone, tap that liquidity, and then I'll be interested in shorts. But right now I'm chilling. This is a part of the growth, man. At least for me, today is a scalp day. Yeah, Chris. So far, it's a scalp day. It's not a day for T-Hobbs to trade just yet.
Today is 100% a scalp day.
Yeah, it's not for me.
Thing ever.
You good over there, G? Don't be wasting too many tokens, man. Walk away.
I'm straight, but I'm definitely annoyed though. Definitely annoyed at the price action.
Hold on. All right, brother.
I do not blame you.
Hey, you see my chart? Look, you see I'm revving up. I'm about to put my socks and my knee braces on and bounce. I'll be like, all right. Yeah, I don't fuck with it, bro. I'd be like, I can read it, I can analyze it, but I'm too greedy to trade it. So I just be like, I'll practice trading it today. That's what I'll do. I'll paper trade it until we come out of this range. One of our Discord members loves ranges, so he's probably eating this shit alive. But
yeah, he got it. I know he's feasting.
Mm-hmm.
He's just not greedy.
Emmett's nice with it. Emmett's just not. The biggest thing with ranges is you just can't be greedy. Like that's the biggest thing with a range. You got to identify. If you're leaving Chicago, Sean, when you leave. Watch my video in the T-Hop section of the Discord about the chessboard analogy. I'll drop the hashtag to it because this is what helped me understand ranges, right? Like this is how I view a range. So let me see how to create a pre-market plan, market review, tape review. I probably shouldn't move it. Yeah. Yes, that one, like the chessboard. Like the rooks and the knights and all that stuff. Yeah, go back and rewatch that one today, but then compare it to price action today. So today will be a good day to basically set it up. Instead of leaving the market, don't trade the market, just paper trade the market, but put it in a box and see if that won't help you be able to know your entries and your X's a little better. That's what's helped me a lot, right? But I'm not going to trade this because I know that I'm just too greedy unless we come back to the extremes. Right now, we're at the extreme high, but we're building value to looks like we're building value to go higher, right? So if that's the case, I'm hands off, man. Like I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah,
all right, brother. Take it easy, man. Happy 4th of July. Enjoy.
Yes. Happy Fireworks Day.
PA Dax was clean for London, so I'm chilling if I get stopped on in this. All right, dope. Don't forget about Chicago. Oh, yeah. I was like, what do you mean? Chicago just left. she's talking about the dog.
The dog, yeah.
I was talking about the Discord members.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
All right. Longs look good here on the 15-minute. They look like they can come in.
Yeah, they look good on the 5 as well.
But I'm reserved to not trading this until we get out of this area. If we stay in this area all day, then I'm definitely not trading. The market has another hour and a half before I'm calling it. If this is what we're gonna get all day, I will not put my account at risk for this.
30 minutes.
I will not do it. Yeah, I'll be back.
This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. The 5-minute does look good here, though, to potentially reverse us back to the upside. It's just so slow. So slow. Oh, that 5-minute candle was ugly. Never mind. I mean, I would have liked to see that 5-minute candle push a bit more. We're probably coming back down again. We're probably going to consolidate down here for a little bit. This price action is trash with a capital T. Good Lord. I'm getting Discord messages from. Yeah, I think they might just keep us in this range all damn day. Yeah, it's looking like they're just gonna keep us in this dumbass range all day.
Yeah, he good, baby. He still asleep. He quiet as a mouse in there. I mean, he just went out 2 hours ago and went pooped and pee, so he probably just relaxing. I don't want to disturb him and get him all amped up, so I just kind of snuck back there. Wait, how are you texting right now? Aren't you driving to Oklahoma?
Texting.
So maybe she probably gave the phone to my son. She might have gave it to my son. Is he chilling? He ain't doing shit. Is market closed on Friday? No, it's a regular day on Friday. Peak. Is Peak in here or he's texting in the barber chat?
Nah, I don't know actually. Oh, that's where I was getting the messages from.
Yeah, it's coming from the barber chat.
Oh, I was over here like, yo, where am I getting these messages?
I think it's coming from the barber chat. Maybe it's coming from yeah. Is the market closed? No, it's a regular day. No regular trading.
It just wasn't. I was getting the noise, but I wasn't getting the. The message wasn't popping up for me. I don't know why the message ain't popping up.
Oh, all right. See, plenty of opportunity. It's just not what I'm really looking for. I really like the way we're holding that fair value gap on the 15-minute. You guys see that down there? That's pretty nice. I'm more convinced that we're gonna stay range, but it looks like the buyers are looking to push this thing out of this range now. It looks like they've absorbed enough sellers to push it out of here. And if that's the case, again, I'm just waiting to us to push out of here and take out these highs. Like I'm chilling, man. I really missed my opportunity to get long, and I've just been trying to fight the FOMO the entire time to take the long. I could have fucking took the long when we tapped True Day on that candle. That candle came right down. The news candle came right down to midnight price, like exactly at midnight price. And I hesitated.
We're still holding that previous high of day.
Previous day high.
Come down there.
I know. I can
hold
see
it.
it.
That's
why I tell you, mark this shit on your chart. Look, all the areas that I said mark. Remember I told you? I said midnight, previous day high, and settlement. Look at everywhere we bounce. Settlement is at 254. We just bounced off settlement. Previous day high, 260. We've been holding that all day. Midnight, the news candle bounced right off of it. And when we tried to sweep midnight, we came right back into it. It's just fair value. If you can identify fair value, you're already in where big money is looking to trade. It's just a matter of, can you get the emotions under control to trust the trade? I couldn't get my emotions under control today because the market, I was getting freaking tossed around by the market mentally. Like, I wanted to take a trade, but I wasn't sure. And when I wasn't sure, I don't feel comfortable pulling the trigger. And when I'm not sure, and if I don't identify everything that I want right away, I just wait. The best thing I could have done was maybe put a limit order at midnight. That would have been the best trade all day, honestly. Like, you could have just put an order at 235 and just, gave it, 40 points or so and said that trade all day.
What's ES doing right now? Oh, ES pulled back nicely. Yeah, the real question now is, are we gonna get back to the top of the range? Settlement is when the option market settles price for the next day, right? That's the time.
Yeah, who asked that question? What is settlement? Oh yeah. It's when margin. So the daily close is the price that the market closed on the day. But the margin close is where margin closes on the day, meaning settlement is where margin closes, meaning when everybody got done buying and selling, and the futures market closes, where did the price settle at for the day? That's what settlement price, the indicator of settlement price, shows you. And that price ends up being fair value, or ends up acting as fair value, right? So that's why I mark settlement. And then also midnight is just basically where the algorithm resets. So I hope Valdez is okay. I don't see him in here anymore. I know this day haunts him. He hates days like this.
Yeah, we're looking really bullish here, though. Looks like we're flagging and coming out of this flag pattern here on the lower time frames and on the tape. So it looks like we're going back up to retest the those previous highs that we double topped at originally. So we'll see if the market wants to stay in a range, or if we want to push up higher.
Did you get back in on the dip?
Yeah, I got back in. I got back in at 63. at the low. But again,
I always know when you back in because you start really trying to talk about price out loud.
I'm just sitting here like, yo, this I just don't feel good. Like I got a really good entry again. I just don't feel good.
All your entries have been sauce. That's why I'm just like, I love everything about your trading up here. I feel better when we take the high. I think it looks really good though.
I'm just
this looks like the
anticipating
15-minute
that we're gonna
pullback
take it.
that we had.
Yeah, I'm just anticipating that we're gonna take it, but I'm trying my best to not be greedy and to like get out if I see struggle at the high. But it's so hard to do. It's so hard. I'm not.
It's such a delicate.
I wish
dance.
I was, but yeah,
it's a delicate dance, right? Like
because hindsight being 2020, had I taken that initial trade off, I would have been up 200, and right now I'd be up 400. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's like I actually ended up taking 2 break-even trades because I got back in on the initial push out, which again I was right, but I got stopped out, and then I got back in because I was like, nah, I'm not wrong.
But where was your stop? Where's your stop right now?
My stop right now is at 2052.
Okay.
Or 2252 is where my stop's at.
Okay.
So it's below the.
No, I know where it is. I know where it is.
Yeah.
I would put it at below 42, but that's just me.
That's the ultimate swing, which is true.
I was looking at the 15-minute. It's the previous swing. That's all.
Yeah.
But I mean, it looks good. I mean, shit. If anything, I'd be putting my stop in profit right now.
To be honest, that's what I should be doing.
It looks like it's about to squeeze up out of here, but I'd be putting my shit in profit right now.
I could move it up to secure this. Secure
the 200 that you lost, or the 400 that you lost. You got to be up. You at 30 points. So yeah, let it push out. Look at the 15-minute candle, bro. This shit has no body.
I'm looking at the 5 right. I'm looking at the 5 right now. We're looking good.
Keep learning in the shop. See it. All right, Kyle, take it easy, brother. We will see you this. There will be no. We won't be doing anything tomorrow, but Friday I'll be back. We'll be back. But yeah, I'll definitely do a market review later today at 3:30 ish though.
Yeah, I'll probably end up doing my night review as well, even though this price action is shit. But right now, this trade is fucking printing. So
yeah,
we're above that high. Yeah, we're good
fucking
now.
Entry. That's the entry. That's the 11 o'clock entry that I was waiting on, but I just didn't trust it. But good entry, bro. Good entry. 10:30. Yep, that's the same time we took off yesterday. Remember we built that 30-minute demand. Oh. Another thing, just built 30-minute demand on the 30. I would turn the 15-minute 90 and Maya because I think you might have caught a whole body. I think this thing about to go. Good job, brother. Good job.
Thank you.
Make sure you take a screenshot too, so you can post it on the channel.
Yeah, right now.
We got a body alert.
Is where we don't have roads right now. We don't have roads where this profit target is going.
Funded?
No, it's not. No,
I was about to say, hold that shit.
No, this is not the funded.
Yeah. All right, we just tapped 304.50. This is normally where I would be looking to say, this is where I was looking to short the market, but looking at the 30-minute, there's no chance I'm getting short right here. No chance. Zero chance I'm getting short here. I'm expecting this level to break. By the way, we're officially at Valdez's paper trade. He just got liquidated, so that just happened. Bye, Valdez. Yeah, check with my man. Let me add him in the barber chat because I know he hate days like this. At Valdez, this day is your nemesis. You good? I'm just checking on him, man, because I know what it feels like to see the same setup on a day like this and then not execute it properly. But I know this is one of the days that he hates. He hates days like this, so I just want to check on him.
Yeah, no, facts. All right, I have my trend line drawn, so at this point, I'm just gonna try to move this up with the swings and continue to kind of trail price.
With that 15-minute 90 MAO, bro.
No.
Just sit back and relax.
I know.
What's your target? You got to get out at 1500, right?
Yeah, I told you I have no roads right now, bro. I'm going for all-time highs, baby. I'm going for that.
That's 60 points away. That's not far. If we couldn't break previous day high and we couldn't trade below midnight, where do you think we going next?
All-time highs, baby.
Yeah, 370 is just the beginning, bro. I got us going to 500 today. That's why I'm chilling, because I'm like, all right, cool. That's all I wanted to see you do. I just want to see you get above the all-time high. And I know we're gonna get a pullback, so I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, it may take me a little longer to get my entry, but I'm gonna get my fucking entry.
All right, I'm securing 300, 327 on the trade right now. I'm up about 50 points.
Let's go, baby. Eat. Take that screenshot.
I'm up about 50 points right here. I gotta.
Good trade, brother. Good trade.
Call
a body. Right when Chicago shot left, the market took the fuck off. Took the fuck off. This is why I didn't want to waste my tokens, man. I just rather wait, because it just seems so choppy right there. But now that we're getting up and we're moving, let it do its thing.
Yeah, we are in supply right now, like larger time frame supply, but I mean, we're just I think
we built that demand so we could take out this supply zone. If you look at the 30-minute, that shit's so fucking bullish. Look at the hour candle, bro. The 1 hour is fucking disgusting. Yeah, we built 1 hour demand down there. Yeah. That's why I just was not interested in shorting this shit, man, at all. I just didn't have this level right here. Like I mean, let me show you guys what I was looking at on ES so you'll understand how I had this market set up, right? Let me show you guys my ES chart. This is where I should have probably taken this trade, right? Because ES did exactly what I wanted it to do. NQ kind of threw me off a little bit, right? So let me show you.
ES is higher, NQ's higher than ES right now. I like that. That means NQ's going to run a lot further.
Oh man, it always does. But so this was my setup on ES right here. This was fucking sauce. See what I'm saying? If I'd have took this same trade, because I was in this trade for the news at 7:30, and I got stopped out on NQ. And I told the Discord, I said, my plan is to long at the news because I think the news is going to be the low of the day. So I got long before the news, and NQ just kept dumping. NQ dumped down to here, right? All the way down to this level. If I would have took that same trade at 7:30 on ES, and my stop was below this wick right here, right? I could have took that same trade on ES. It would have been my only trade on the day. My only trade on the day. And I knew it too. I was like, yeah, I'm holding this shit all day. I knew it, but NQ just didn't. NQ came down a little lower than ES did. Next time I'm gonna take it on both. That's what I'm gonna do next time.
That's actually kind of smart. Like take it on both, and then
just take it on both instruments, because if I get stopped out on one, the other one should hold, because the area was perfect. I had the same support zone on ES that I had on NQ. NQ just sold beneath it, and ES held it all day long. And then ES built demand above it. NQ swept it, and then built demand inside of it. Right. So now we built demand on the 1 hour. So, but it's all good. Either way it goes, true day was the opportunity. But we came down to true day in seconds. Right. So I mean, the Bookmap couldn't even keep up. Hell, Top Step X couldn't even keep up when we came down to that damn thing. We came down there so fucking fast. I just missed the trade. And now I'm just waiting for the market to put in this new high. I want us to get above the all-time high, honestly. Which I think we will. The 1 hour looks so good. Good trade, brother. I'm proud of you, man.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm thinking about cutting this trade here in a second because we're breaking through my trend line here, and I don't think we're going to hold. But we'll see. See how this candle closes, this 1 minute candle. What I'm probably going to end up doing here is moving this up to this 1 minute candle. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm cool with that. All right, so I'm securing 40 points here.
This shit is sending, bro. This shit's about to go.
I hope so, but I don't trust that this high to not have some type of major ass pullback here.
No, okay. And then ES hasn't gotten above its high yet though, either. That's a little bit cause for concern, but
yeah, I'm about to get stopped out for 400. There it is. All right, stopped out there for 400.
Good trade.
Thank you. I think we'll have a nice little pullback here. Again, that's why this hurts a little bit, because I'd be up 600 right now had I taken that little $200 20-point scalp, but it's all good. Now the question is, how far do we pull back off these highs?
That is the question. That is the question. I just sit here reading price like, now how far are you gonna actually pull back is the question. Not at all. Goodness gracious, man. I'm over today, Justin. I'm so tempted to hit this lockout button and just walk away.
Hey, I'm good. I made some dough. I'm
over it.
This was such a tough freaking day.
Yeah, it was very tough. I mean, look at the 1 minute wicks, bro. Like, this shit was ugly.
Super ugly.
That rally up, bro. They was toying with motherfuckers.
Oh, I realized I'm a fucking idiot. Thank God I saved this one picture, because I was fucking I was taking screenshots, but I wasn't posting them. So I only have this one screenshot of the trade, but I got a screenshot right here. Bro, oh wait, no, all the screenshots saved. Never mind, I'm good.
Yeah, I was about to say. Well, mine in yours they do. Mine saved too. I just don't know where they be saving it. So
yeah, they save in my screenshots folder. I completely forgot
that's what I be wanting to put my shit. But shit, I don't know how to switch it. Banger trade, man. Banger trade.
I gotta. Thank you. I gotta find
fucking entry with sauce.
Oh no, what's today? Okay, there it goes.
All right, I think I'm done, guys. There's a lot going on, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be done until PM session. I'm gonna go for my walk, do everything I need to do, because I want to trade the market, but I'm not sure where I want to trade the market yet. Right, I want to get short right here, but I don't want to get short. So I'm just more inclined to just call this day a wash and just be like, you know what, you traded well for 3 days, just take a break. yeah, I'm more inclined to do that, but I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna do that yet. So I'm just gonna close my account for now, leave Bookmap running, maybe talk about some price with the Discord for a little bit, and I'm gonna go for a walk, because the morning session kind of drained me. Discipline wise, I'm very, very happy with the decisions that I made. I don't feel one bit of remorse or missed opportunity. Like, there were some missed opportunities, but the way price was delivered to those opportunities made me kind of fearful. So I'm comfortable with being in fear. Fear is a part of it's an emotion that it's better to acknowledge fear than to deny fear, right? Like, I think a lot of people fail because they try to deny that they're scared, right? Like, you're crazy if you're not afraid to lose money. The question is, what are you going to do with that fear, right? And I'm really, really proud of how I managed my non-trade session today. I didn't take any trades today. I didn't like it. I didn't like the price action. I didn't like the delivery of price. So I just stayed away. And you know what? That's okay, right? Like, when price doesn't deliver the way that I wanted to be delivered, there were some opportunities on a different instrument, but you guys heard me say when I came in here, I'm only focusing on NQ. I'm going to fade the rest. And, maybe hindsight being 2020, that was a mistake, but that mistake didn't cost me any money, right? So at the end of the day, Justin took some excellent trades, and I'll let him speak on those, and then we get out of here.
Yeah. I guess I had a kind of double confluence to take the longs. Well, actually, there was a lot of reasons to take the long where I took it. How's Be Quiet and hooked me up with one of them fine white women. What?
Bro, I ain't got it like that now, man. My Rolodex has been thrown away, and I've narrowed my focus to one white woman.
My Rolodex has been thrown away.
My shit been burnt and put on fire. I ain't got it like that no more.
I took this high and this low here after we had rallied up and broke this high, and I said, okay, if the market can pull back down into this area, then I want to start looking for longs. But I also had this high and this low on the even smaller time frame that kind of gave me this area to look to take long. So I think, where's my first long? My first long was down here after we had bounced off of VWAP. I took it all the way up. I was trying to get the break of this high here. Didn't work out. I got stopped out for break even. Hindsight being 2020, I should have at least taken some type of profit or something up here, but I didn't. It was a mistake. But something I gotta learn from. But as we came back down and we ran both of these two areas I was looking to long, and we were holding VWAP, I took another long, got stopped out for break even, got back in because I knew that I wasn't wrong. And then, we continued up, and that was my best trade on the day. And then, obviously the shorts did not work out. Trying to short the market here and here was a mistake. But, it is what it is.
You said that was a mistake.
It was a mistake. But, you live and learn. I like the longs down here, too. Like, I called them. But
we both did. We just was so scared. You were viewing the longs as a pullback to go short.
Yeah, exactly. I was viewing the longs as a pullback to go short. And the reason why I like the longs down here was because of this consolidation here. I liked how this consolidation was holding. So I like the longs. And I don't know. I think I just need to change my view of the market a little bit, because every pullback, every pullback opportunity is a place to go long. I just wanted us to pull back a lot lower. I think that was my problem. I was seeing us pulling back to 114.
Exactly.
Not 204, 205.
Bingo. That was my biggest problem, that I was viewing the same way you were viewing. I'm like, okay, we changed character here. It would make sense for us to pull back so we can drop lower and come down to the demand.
Exactly.
An example of the higher time frame ruling the day. At the end of the day, the higher time frame wins. So no matter how much we change character right here, if we go back up and we fail to put in a higher or lower high, that shit's over, right? That bearish activity's over, right? So that's one thing that I was going to talk about as well in regards to missed opportunities, because sometimes you just got to put your bullish hat on, right? And just realize, okay, yeah, that selling happened, but that shit took 2 hours to come down here, right? So what's more likely to happen? Is it likely that we go back up and find more sellers? Or is it likely that we just continue to push higher, right? At the end of the day, that's just a missed opportunity for both of us. And I think that's initially what put me on tilt, so to speak, and then started making me be a little bit more hesitant, and why I just said, you know what, let's just call it a wash and either come back in PM when things reset a little bit, or just call it a day, and I'm cool with that.
Yeah,
so
I agree. When you look at the higher time frame, we never technically broke the we never technically broke any structure. We just pulled back and then went higher.
Yeah, we didn't do anything on the higher time frame, right?
Fucking unfortunate. It's like, God
and that's
damn,
that's the one thing.
You didn't even get a little pullback.
Nah, B. That's one thing we'll talk about this weekend, Jay, when we discuss price, is just understanding how bullish this market is, right? Like, that's why I'm very cautious with shorting the market, because shorting the market is so fucking dangerous until it works out, right? It's just so dangerous. It's just like, bro, like, in this market, it's so dangerous to be a bear. So, Hobbs, do you like NQ over ES? Black man kryptonite? Nah, my wife is my soulmate and fucking everything to me. So maybe it's your kryptonite. Bulls on parade, longs all day. Yeah, they on parade. They strutting they shit. Hobbs, do you like NQ over ES? I like all instruments, honestly. Right? I like 4 instruments that I focus on are NQ, ES, DOM, and gold. I like all 4 of those instruments for different reasons. So it's not a compare and contrast for me. It's just whatever I see, wherever I see the setups the best. Like I was saying earlier, is like the one thing I regret is not taking the trade this morning on ES as opposed to NQ because ES was set up much better than NQ.
Yeah.
Justin, what about the Russell since he mentioned NQ?
I've never charted the Russell.
Yeah, well, I've charted it before, but I've never actively traded the Russell.
Yeah.
I need a white woman too. I'm tired of
Jonah likes the Russell though. He'd be always mentioning the Russell, but yeah. I don't know. I guess sometimes I feel like if you're so bearish, just find a market that's bearish and short it. I almost feel like doing that. Like, let me find a bear market.
Because Justin always come in like, we'll be like Justin, but the market is, but he's like, nah, for what y'all say, I'm looking for short based off the care. I'll be like,
it's just based off
your funeral.
The bad thing is, it's just based off of where we're at in the market.
Yes.
I feel like we should be pushing down lower to go higher, but it's almost like just fade the short. Let the market push down and then just look the long end.
What do you start your sentence with when you say that? You say, I feel like, right?
Yeah.
And that's the problem. It's like the market knows that most people feel like we should go down from here, right? So what is the market going to do? It's going to prey on those feelings by inducing those sellers coming down with that aggressive sell candle. Now, because we broke structure on a smaller time frame, what are all the sellers that really want to be bearish? What are they doing? They all waiting at the same level you were. And look how, go to the 1 minute and look how the market came back up there. Look how the market baited all the sellers. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Shit was on purpose, right? They did that shit on purpose because they knew every candle that went up jagged like that, all of retail was looking to get short. Short. And they was cooking their ass the whole way up.
To be honest though, this jaggedness in price is actually healthy. It's more healthy than how we came up here.
But the way it was forming, most people don't look at it like that. Like, it's healthy.
No, I know.
But your ass damn sure wasn't looking to cut your trade with that healthy uptrend. You was just like, as long as we stay below the high. And that's how most retail was thinking. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Market closes at regular time today, the futures market, but the stocks close at like right about now. Well, they close at noon.
Yeah,
right?
They close at noon.
I probably won't even take any trades today, guys. I'm probably just gonna bounce because if the stocks are closed, then it's just gonna be Tokyo, London. I'll probably just wait till Friday, to be honest. I'm so close to passing this 100K account, like weird. Like, that's all I really care about right now. That's where my focus is anyway. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we got. I really hope you guys enjoyed the show today. We really enjoyed hanging out with you. Please don't forget to tip the barbers, hit the like and subscribe button. If you're interested in joining the Discord link is in the description down below. If you want to help out the channel, use the Apex code that's been scrolling across the screen this entire time. We're trying to get you with that inception, right? Inception. Do it. Just do it. Just use the Apex code. Use it. Anyway, but more importantly, enjoy your independence this weekend. This is Independence Day. This is an American holiday, aka it's the day you're supposed to eat food, get fat, and blow a bunch of shit up. Be safe. Go by the rules. Make sure you have a water hose, especially if you're living somewhere hot. Make sure you have a water hose or a bucket. Don't end up on TikTok, right, or Twitter blowing up a car or a house or some shit like that. So stay safe out there, ladies and gentlemen.
And send it to us. I love videos like that.
Or that. Be safe out there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the shop. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.